Hello everyone, my name is K. Rajesh. I am from CSC C section. Today's my topic is about Jain, a new approach to services in communication networks. Abstract. Jain is a set of integrated networks APIs for the Java platform, provides a framework to build and integrate solutions or services that span across packet, example IP or ATM, wireless, and PSTN networks. The objective of Jain is to provide ser- service portability, convergence, and secure access by services residing outside of the network to such integrated networks. Jain is defined as specified by a large number of participating communication companies, the Jain community, and according to a well-documented process, the Java Community Process or JCP. The objective of the Jain community is to create an open market for services across integrated networks using Java technology. The Jain business case. Java computing starts with a highly structured, strongly typed, object-oriented computing language, which is compiled not to native machine code, but rather to a virtual machine bytecode. When, when ready for execution, the bytecode is dynamically linked and then translated in a virtual machine to a native machine code. The dynamic linking and bytecode translation ensure computer programming portability, where a program or sections of a program can be written uh, once on one platform and then run over any other platform that contains a virtual machine. This requires no recording, recompilation, or relinking. The high portability feature of Java is balanced against performance and runtime. Semantic interference error checking for performance. The byte code or source may be compiled to machine code. For semantic interference, static linker. The strengths AIN are in the service portability, network convergence, and secure network access. Service portability. Technology and application development are currently constrained by proprietary proprietary interfaces. Portability of application is almost non-existent. This increases application development cost, time to market, and maintenance requirement. The Jain approach is to reshape proprietary interfaces to uniform Java interfaces, delivering portable applications. Network convergence. Call or session leaks. For, for today's application and services typically span only a single type of network, public switched telephone network (PSTN), packet or wireless, although clearly between these networks do exist. The higher level Jain calls Jain call models includes facilities for observing, initiating, answering, processing, and manipulating calls, where a call is understood by including a multimedia, multi-party, multi-protocol season over the underlying integrated network. How the Jain community works. The Jain community process JCP is a formal process for developing Java extensions. The JCP has shown to produce high quality specifications in internet time using an inclusive consensus building process that not only delivers the specification but also the reference implementation and its associated suite for compatibility test. The best way to develop a specification is to start with a handful of industry experts who have deep understanding of the technology in question. and then have a strong technical lead work with them and create a first draft. Consensus is then built using the iterative review process that allows an ever-widening audience to participate and to see their comments and suggestions incorporated into successive drafts versions of the specification prior and final release. This formal process was designed to, the, to be fast, flexible, and adaptable to the wide variety of work styles present in the community today. An independent auditing firm may audit the process. All participants are required to sign a Java Specification Participation Agreement (JSPA) with Sun. The JSPA fundamentally assigns the copyrights of the specification to Sun in order to enable Sun to enforce a single version of the specification at any time. Steps to specification development follow the guidelines set forth in JCP. The summary is provided here. Purpose purpose a new specification through a Java specification request form the expert group to write the draft specification, review and refine the participant draft by all JSPA participants. Public review, public release, maintenance. Jain architecture. The protocol layer is in Jain is based on Java standardization of specific protocols, providing standardized protocols interfaces in a Java object model. Applications and protocol stacks can be dynamically interchanged and the and at the same time provide a high degree of portability to the applications in the application layer using protocol stacks from different vendors. A more detailed explanation for the ongoing work. The application layer provides a single call model across all supported protocols. In the protocol layer, the fundamental idea to provide a single state machine or multi-party, multimedia and multi-protocol sessions for service components in the application layer. This state machine is accessible by trusted application the, and then execute in the application layer through the JCC. The current proposal in the edit group is to use the core part of the Java telephony API as JCC. JCAT then arguments JCC to provide the richer signaling model. This is explained in much the basic approach taken in JDAPI with a core package and extension package that extends the core package will be followed by the JCC edit group and provides a structured and modular way to introduce enhancements to a call model. The application layer also supports secure access to network resources accessible through Jain. The figure 2 and 3 shows the Jain community organization and Jain abstractions. Jain provides a third level of abstraction through the Jain Parley interface. In figure 3, the little discs outside the SLE rectangular represents Jain Parley based services. Earlier in this document, there were uh, referred to as untrusted services. Jain Parley acts as a firewall to protect the security and integrity of the integrated networks. Some operations might opt to have all services, both inside and outside their integrated network domain. Use the Jain Parley interference. The Jain Parley interference exports some as all capabilities available inside the integrated networks to services running inside the different security domain. The Jain Services Logic Execution Environment. The relationship between the four AEG edit group work items and the Jain SLEE is depicted in figure 4. Services can be Services can be written directly on top of the Jain protocol layer adapter APIs JCC and Jain Parley API. This will provide portability of these services, will secure will require the use much more than just a call model. For example, they might want to use Java's JDBC text to speech and JNDI APIs to mention a few. For furthermost, Jane's SLE provides portable support for transmissions, persistence, load balancing, security, object and connection interference, pooling, and so on. This is similar to enterprise Java beans in the EJB specification. Conclusion: the Jain network topology provides carriers with the ability to deploy next-generation network services on devices inside or at the edge of the integrated networks, including any Java-enabled end-user device. Furthermore, to support for all the necessary telephony protocols that are used between the different network elements in intelligent networks, advanced intelligent networks (AIN), and IP-based networks is mandatory. Jain has Jain has chosen an evolutionary approach that over time will allow completely new approaches to be incorporated. Whenever possible, the approach is decoupled and modularized to make their easier. The concrete example is to adoption of the JTAPI core or extension package structure, which does not take all calls modules depend on a single state machine. Thank you.